Where were we? Assuming you are seeing 12 volts on brown, 12 volts on blue, 12 volts on red, then the next step in the electricity's journey is to the ECO. The ECO, and why I confused it earlier, is almost identical to the T-stat. It has a nearly identical job to the T-stat. It is in fact just a last quadruple millionth check that the water heater is indeed not too hot before we allow propane to be dumped into the system. It just has a higher heat tolerance than the T-stat does, so we can test it exactly the same way as we tested the T-stat.